cousins, they're brothers.
Hello.
Hi.
So, today we're going to be trying out some Bengali or Bangladesh food snacks. But thank you to our granddad for buying us these snacks.
So, as you can see, we've got it from here, in here, all of the products. So I'm going to explain the rules, and then I think we should get started after that. So, rules are, we'll start from me, then we'll go this way down.
Yep.
So I'll close my eyes, I'll get a product, and whatever I get, we all have to try a bit of it. It's sort of a challenge because it could be spicy, sweet, sour.
But I'm not trying
Yeah.
spicy.
So,
Spicy
yeah.
because
Do
I
you,
like food.
do you think we should get started?
Let's
Yes.
go.
Alright guys, let's get started. Alright.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
It's fine, I'll close it.
Ooh.
Ooh.
So we got churi bhaji. So
So, as you can see,
That's some good veggies.
so I think we're gonna have to put this in our bowls and have a spoon each, so I'll do that.
so
But I'm doing mine on one day.
don't put too much. Enough.
Don't try it yet.
Right, I put more.
Alright, so just put the lid on so it doesn't fall.
On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
Very crunchy.
And
Oh,
first,
spicy.
oh, that's spicy.
I can handle
The
it.
spice gets in your neck a lot. I can tell.
I like it.
It's not bad. I like this.
Don't try
So
this
spicy,
one up,
crunchy.
kids.
Essentially, that's it. Crunchy, spicy snack. Good for when you want flavour in your mouth. Alright.
I like that, but it's quite spicy.
Yeah.
I can
Fill
handle
up
it.
water bottles.
Alright, now
You forgot me. Yeah, water
your
bottles.
turn.
Alright, my turn. Ooh!
Oh, perfect.
So, we got from prawn potato crackers, as you can see.
Oh, by the way, not sponsored by Prime or anything like that. If you're watching this, you know, give us a sponsor, you know. So yeah.
Any of these brands. So,
You need some help there?
it's not a normal crisp packet.
Yeah, these aren't normal. Oh gosh, wow, this is a bit of a tough one.
Let me try.
Let's open it.
Try. Okay, that was the smart idea.
So
You
everyone-
turn it upside down and open it. Very logical, yeah.
I'll take one.
It's a fun time.
I'm gonna put them.
baby.
Go on. Let me get mine.
I
All right.
know that
On the count of
happy
3.
because-
3, 2, 1.
I get crunchy cheesy.
So there's a
Very
potato. Got a bit of cheese. I can tell if you have a few, you'll get a kick of spice in your mouth.
It's not that
Guys.
spicy.
This is really
No,
young,
I mean after a
but
few.
it's a lot spicy, but I like it.
So yeah, not bad. Potato crackers.
Yeah.
By prawn.
Really don't mind that.
Yeah.
All right. Zed, your turn to pick out. Well, I think no licking.
Oh, the flattened rice.
Black and
All right. So,
white.
yep.
So,
Show everybody.
We have black and rice.
so take
So put some in your bowl this time.
That was easy.
I'm gonna just get it on a spoon and then have it.
They're really dry. Okay. Give me
I'll do it. I don't want it in my bowl.
Alright.
I'm gonna put it on my spoon.
one. Here
Wait.
we go.
Wait, whoa. Alright.
This is like a non-spicy version of the churi bhaji.
Doesn't have too much flavor. Tastes like rice, but
Yeah.
cold, bit fluffy-ish and a bit hard. Like,
Cold, fluffy, yummy, tastes like.
If you're
Yeah.
hungry and there's nothing you want to eat, this is probably what you would eat.
Yeah.
not much flavor, but
Yeah.
what can I say? Not bad.
When you have it, it's flavour, but at the end, it doesn't
So-
have that much flavour.
My turn again.
So far, it has been good and bad. Thank you.
Oh!
I'm
So we have orange cream biscuits. I've never
God.
tried this in my life. Don't think you guys have either, so take
If
one.
you have
I never
have
want to
tried
do
it,
this.
tell us.
Yeah, right in the comments.
If
down
you
below.
guys don't know, I hate orange flavored things.
Of course you do.
He used to be allergic to apples, but no anymore.
I'm still allergic to apples.
What? He said you're not to me.
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Take
those
one each.
look weird.
It's like, as soon as I open the packet,
Yeah, I already know.
smells the first of orange. Wow. All right, 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Wow.
For an orange flavor product, I actually enjoy this. Wow, not bad.
Wow. Not bad.
I do
You
not have
and
this. It's horrible. I hate orange flavored things.
Wow.
Oh,
By the way, you should try it. It's
No,
so
it's
good.
actually not bad. It's
don't
good.
try it. Your mouth is gonna die.
It's quite nice, to be honest.
Yeah. To be honest.
Why are you lying?
Mm-mm.
Lie about the pipe.
Your turn.
Enjoy it.
Look away.
Taste it.
Yo.
No!
So we got some mango pelts made by Jellyman.
Get him on.
Now I've heard that these are really spicy.
Oh.
Same.
Also, not sponsored by Jellyman. So, yeah. Great stuff.
Jellyman, please, if you want to, just sponsor us. Like, why not?
We're eating your products and Fran.
Yeah.
If they do watch YouTube, yeah, please sponsor us. If you don't, then no.
Oh, to open this is quite hard.
I can tell.
Literally
My mum
has
and
a shell
dad used
around
to
it.
have this, but no anymore.
But we've never had this. Or have we?
Ooh, so you want to take one strip each? Okay, I took a chunky one, but
I'm taking this, bro.
take one. And it said on the front,
You can
it's a
rip it
mix
open.
of sour, spicy, and sweet. So I'll say 3, 2, 1.
Get my water ready.
So 3, 2, 1.
It tastes really good, but it's really spicy.
You should never have that, guys. Please, don't have it. It's so
No, I actually
spicy.
don't mind recommending it. It's quite
The
nice.
one you try this is okay. Then you try
Jellyman,
it,
you're
then-
good at making things. Open this. Take the last one. So, last product of the day is
Ew.
show the camera. Fun Jal Moody.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is.
So
Let me open it.
it's a crisp packet. No,
Oh.
it's a crisp packet.
Not really, but okay.
It's a packet of a crisp. That's
Should we
what.
try the upside down trick?
Let me try. Wait.
I might blow it up. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, I want to do that. I love doing.
No, don't. It's gonna go over here. Oh, that's a bit of a struggle. Yeah.
Can I blow it up?
No, I don't recommend doing that.
Don't you dare.
Oh, I just cut my nose.
You know what? Let me try.
Hey, oi, oi, oi.
So let's get the
Ooh,
scissors. Magic scissors.
Magic came here.
Ah! Why are you putting on my leg? Take only one. Take a few.
Yeah.
I can smell it from here.
It's
That's
full.
I'll put some on my spoon so I don't like mix it up
Same.
with other stuff. No, I mean like. Okay, whatever. Actually, no, that's a good idea. All right. So straight away, I can actually see this is a mix of that rice thing, as well as the
You already had it.
jewelry veggie, whatever. But
Alright.
3. Okay then. go.
3, 2. Alright, spicy.
Then have it.
Spicy.
Very
Very
nice.
stronger flavour. Not bad. Yeah. I haven't even drunk a sip of water this whole video. So yeah,
I'm gonna have another potato cracker. These things were nice.
I'm not gonna lie, they were amazing.
Why
not?
So now we're all gonna say which one they thought was the best. Which one do you think?
So personally, my favorite one out of these lot, and the one I think was the best, was mango boats. Reason why, it just appealed to my mouth like as a very good tasting snack. Sweet, sour, chili. Why not?
Your worst one?
Worst one? Oh, that's a good one. Sorry, but it is this. Reason why, no flavor, not much, you know, easy to chew. Well, I guess easy to swallow and just go straight down. You don't have to chew at all, really. So,
Yeah. So to me, my favorite one was the potato crackers. Because first of all, it's a crisp shaped thing. And it has good flavor to it. And like, it's kind of puffed. So you get extra flavor and crunch to it. And that's what I like.
oh, was that your excuse to try another one?
No.
So your worst one is.
The worst one are these. Because, first of all, I hate orange flavored things. They taste horrible.
Not
And
really.
I knew when I was gonna first bite it, I was gonna spit it out. But because I was being a man, I ate half of it.
Oh really? Oh really? That's being a man.
And I ate it. What about you, Zed?
So what's your best one?
So, first I'm going to do my worst one.
Okay,
So,
okay, what was your worst one?
I'm going to show you all my worst ones because I have a lot.
There's only
My
one.
worst
You can
ones.
only do one worst one.
Alright, say all of your worst ones and say the worst out of the worst after.
So, the worst is this one, the mango belt. This one, and the last of all, this one.
I only eat one of those.
So which one was the worst out of those? Come on, what? Oh no. Ah. But the real question is, what was your favorite
My
or
favorite.
the best?
Up to my favorites. But in the middle,
Which one is your favorite out of the favorite?
Yeah, best out of the best.
not sure. Probably say this, because this has no flavor. It's hard.
But so then why is it one of your favorites if it's no flavor and hard?
I like it.
I've got an idea.
Alright
Hey
then.
guys, I've got an idea. We're not gonna end it here. So we're gonna, all of us, have to taste. Like we're each gonna have to taste our worst ones and eat the full thing. So I'm gonna have half of this.
So what did I choose my worst?
You choose.
Oh yeah, this. Oh, that's fine.
Well, my worst one was the potato crackers. Yeah.
No.
This was my worst one.
That's your excuse. No,
No.
I'm joking.
you're not in love with those potato crackers. Just saying.
I'm joking. It wasn't the orange. They weren't that bad. It was
This is
the
my
mango
worst one. But
Oh my goodness. Already.
You have to have a mango belt. Alright, let me help Zed out a little bit. Make sure you like, subscribe, press the bell button, and comment for new video ideas. Because I'm thinking we're going to have American food.
I'm thinking Somalian food. That'd be good.
But
Alright.
Why not Egyptian food?
I'm drinking this whole bowl.
Well, can be all up to you guys. So make sure you comment down below. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.